Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the videos. Do like and share the videos. Do subscribe the channel so that you will know as and when we bring in the day-to-day tips or the day-to-day videos. So the guidance for today, let's see. A beautiful card has come. The Ace of Fire. I really love the design of the pause here, actually speaking. This pause sometimes thinks that you need to act now, you need to start working now. Usually itself, Ace of Fire card basically is more like new beginning. Something new is going to come your way, and a lot of energy around you. You need to work on your energies. You have a lot of potentiality inside you, but you're not bringing your potential out. So today is the day where you need to let go of things, whatever has happened in your career, in your personal life, and put your foot ahead and start moving ahead. And today is the day where your potentials will come out and you should strike it, because you know what has been happening and you know how to come out of it. To strike the iron when it is hot, they say. Same way, today is the day when you need to start working towards it, and so that you will be successful in all your endeavors and you will get what you desire. Now let's see what the next card talks about. Yes, see, that's another beautiful card, the Emperor. So, what will happen if you go the way I'm saying? All things will fall in place. You will be able to be in control or in domination of the situation. You will be able to handle it with a lot of grace and with a lot of happiness. So, go with it, and I'm sure the day is going to be yours. So, today also, I'm going to take out a card from Bhagavad Gita. Cards, beautiful card, the Sage. That's an amazing card. Basically, Sage comes when it is time to awaken your inner self, when it's time to open up and start working towards it. So today the Sage is telling you to do that only. Start your day with Surya Namaskar. If you are not good in Surya Namaskar, just stand under the sun for 5 minutes and take the blessings of the sun god. Do the Surya Mudra. Surya Mudra will give you enough of energy to work towards what you're wanting in life and to be successful in it. And today wear something in white, and today if possible offer some water to the plants in your home and offer some milk to a stray dog, so that things will fall in place the way you want, and everything will happen as planned, and everything will happen as per your priorities, be it your personal life or your professional life. So have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.